Hi guys, I'm Sassy Shan. Welcome back to a new vlog. Well, I'm my sister, but you know, her birthday is tomorrow. But practically half of the things that I bought for her, I want her to wear tomorrow. So, and plus we're not there because we have a meeting, and we'll do our outing after. So I was just thinking, why not let her open her gifts or see? As a matter of fact, I'm not even wrap nothing. I'm gonna put them in a no gift bag. I want something in a gift bag, and I want from her mother and father. I am not wrapping none of mine. So I'm gonna call her right now. Yeah. And she's gonna open her presents, and we're gonna get a reaction on camera. So let me show y'all. So I was trying to do a purple theme. There you'll see. I couldn't find everything purple, but yeah, y'all are taking a view. So let's call her in. Shakay, Kay. Oh my God! Y'all see how long she takes to come? Surprise! Guess. She love purple, guys. Sit. Pick up a gift. Now the ones that are not wrapped, put it back. The ones that are not wrapped is from me, and this is from your parents. So make a choice. What do you want to do first?
Will you take up one already and you have to put it back? Is this a blouse?
Yes, hot girl blouse.
Oh, that's
Oh my gosh.
or that work.
Your sister is. Why? People may see it and me I say one day if Shakay go like it, but me just buy it same way.
So she put me now?
Yes, go.
So put me not in a girl. I don't like being a girl, but okay.
Well, you're a girl, ain't it? Yeah. So am I supposed to be holding your camera for the whole day?
Yeah, why not?
Oh my God, I feel like I'm gonna
Then I see a pretty shoes. After put the shoes.
Purple. Gotta see. You like it?
Yes.
I know. Zoom in. The last time I got her a yellow outfit, guys, I said, you know what? I'm getting her purple. Purple this time. Yeah. Anyway, take up my favorite, the bag. That's my favorite. People, I want to sit for this one. Right now she's opening the bowl. I don't remember what I bought that bowl for to do, but she'll figure it out. Yeah, I think it was for your bag. I don't remember.
So I can put it on my bag or on my phone.
Yeah, anyone.
Ooh, pretty. This is a necklace, guys. Pretty little.
To wear tomorrow. Yeah. Oh, I'm in the video. Hi.
Come back. Fancy butterfly.
Yes, free spirits.
And I see purple bracelets. Let me get them in. Ooh, pretty. Okay.
There's another one. What do you do? Oh. That has a gold in it. Doggy.
This is cute.
It looks cute on your hand. Oh, I'm so sorry I didn't get purple watch band. I mean, like, too extra, Shan. Too extra. You can wear the black one. Zooming in. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Anywho, continue. I don't put back the one with the gold in the plastic. I don't know. It came in it, so I'm just saying. Probably it's gonna change. Oh, okay.
Alright.
That's cute.
So I'll take this off first.
Read what it say. Read what it
Pray
say.
on it, pray over it, and pray through it.
Yeah. Clap the tea. Clap the tea. Yeah. Set it up with them seats, yeah. I know you would.
Is it this way or is it wrong?
I have no idea. I just saw it. And I was getting purple stuff. Wait. Zoom you in.
I don't know which
Yeah.
way. It looks like it's this way. So cutesy. Then I see a phone case. So I'll take the phone case.
Don't look in mommy's daddy's stuff.
Ooh, I think I need to go and make something.
What?
Is either that or I'm going to put this on more phone string.
I don't think that
I'm gonna
can
make a
hold
phone
on
string.
it.
I'm gonna make a
You probably
phone
need to
string
make
for
one.
birthday.
Yeah. Purple.
Tonight.
Wait, let me zoom it in.
So cute.
So cute. That's what I wanted to give her from tonight because I know she was saying she was gonna wear a purple. When you finish, I can show them your shirt.
Okay.
Yeah, that you say you were gonna wear, and I got you those. So
Alright, so I got a bag.
yeah, that's the bag. When I heard you like, what kind of bag I'm carrying tomorrow? I'm like, yeah, right. This is what you're carrying.
And guys, I actually bought a purple umbrella for myself for my birthday. And it's supposed to can't hold in there. It's different shade.
I was like, I ain't saying nothing more. I think there's a strap on it. I wouldn't buy a bag without strap. It's just that you're always in to knapsack, but couldn't find that.
That's fine. This is cute. Ooh, pretty.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell her say a vibes. You know your sister don't buy nothing without vibes. Nothing without vibe. And girls, y'all want to see the girl nail done by your Taurus. Toya, my one and only nail tech. No other, no switch around here.
That's all. Never.
Her mommy and daddy. Yes, guys.
Mommy, your phone.
Ma, your phone.
Yes, my earphone. I be and tell people. I had this.
I got that reaction.
I have that earphone off a bowl.
I bought it, remember?
So, and it's still a one.
I'm like,
my birthday.
Dad, Mom, I'm gonna get her a gift. What you say you guys want to get her, your daddy? You must do it because me don't know what she want. I'm like, alright, say no more. And I went up there and I was battling against that and that you see right there, guys. Yes, so back to my video. Mommy rudely interrupted us. So guys, not even mommy and daddy don't know my baggy. The lady I bought it from, Present Palace, Christina, we were asking each other. I was like, I wanted to buy it, but I don't want my sister picked up because this is one gift I want her to be surprised about. Because one thing with me, when I buy a gift, I'm going to listen to y'all complaints. You can ask Tofi about that. I'm going to listen to no complaints and buy the gift based off of that. So I heard her complaining about her thingy. I'm like, I'm going to buy one for her. And she said it's easy to connect. Like she said, first earphone. Right now, I think I'll go buy one for myself. She said it's the first earphone. I was listen. They had some with case, but that one. It picked me off. Yeah, man. I want to box the people. Oh, sorry. I mean, I'm a rubbish collector, people. So you know, I'm a teacher. I need it. I needed to put some cards in it. So anyway, people, that is the birthday gifts from her family.
Yes.
Yeah, she bought herself
the earphone. Alright, so
pumpkin.
Blows too.
Oh.
So these are the things I bought myself. So I bought myself this blouse and it was supposed to, well, it's going to be worn on my birthday.
Yeah, that's why. The shoes.
The purple and the,
you know she love oversized t-shirt, people. Psh,
I bought myself this mini umbrella.
Yeah.
I bought myself this pumpkin for fall because I'm going to decorate for fall.
Yeah.
For October, November. Yeah.
And I'm just going to live in her room for fall because I ain't decorating.
And I also bought myself a...
That was the second thing I was thinking of, guys, and then I'm like, nah, I'm just gonna get one. But anyway, guys, it was great to surprise my sister. As I said, I had to do it today because I want her to wear most of the stuff because of her shirt, as you guys can see right there. So the theme for this year is purple. Enjoy your birthday tomorrow, and I know once you're with me, you'll be fine. Christmas! Two, three, 3.5, 3 3/4, 4.
Hey guys, so before I close out this vlog, I wanted to share with you guys some more gifts. So I got some more gifts. One of my past students carried a wine for me, and literally we just don't drink it, and I forgot to like show you guys. We literally just drink it. So it's Sunday and we just felt for something nice, so we drank it. So anyways, and then another one of my girls, so one of my guide babies, got me some gifts. Yeah, she got me some gifts. So I wanted to show you guys them before I close off the vlog, because it's a part of my birthday, gifts vlog, unboxing my birthday gifts. So I want to show you guys, and like it's like she just understand the assignment. Like, the purple is purpling. So let me show you guys what she got me. So first things first, she got me some eyelashes, because I realized I like lashes. So she got me these lashes, and then she also got me these lashes. So she got me the individuals as well, and the fact that the thing is purple, like, this is everything. And then she got me a box with some stuff in it. Butterfly, again, free spirited, and some nerds. I actually love these. Love. This is I think it's a tinted lip balm. Yes, it actually goes on like lipstick. Yeah. Then some sweets and a bracelet. So yeah. Alright, so that's that. And then she also got me a pair of sunglasses, and this is so cute. So cute. Yeah. And then last but certainly not least, because it's like my favorite, I love me myself a bucket hat, and the fact that it is purple. It is purple, like, clap that. Anyways, so yeah. So yes, guys, I just wanted to like show you guys that are all of those things before I like close off the vlog. So yeah, I'm gonna close off the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you to everybody. If I did not get to respond to y'all when y'all wish me happy birthday, just want to say thank you so much. Thank you so much for the wishes, and continue to support me. Yeah, so it's Vlogtober basically, because it's October. So it's Vlogtober, and I wanted to do Vlogtober, whether it be, well, I was kind of gonna focus on the short form content, but literally guys, today's the 5th and I have not posted a video, but I have some videos that I need to edit for the short form, and then I will post them. But yeah, so again, thanks for watching. Look out for those videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny.